Sick dough in crypto. I gotta let you know. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a run. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Hit the like and subscribe. As most of you already know, we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. We're going soon. If you like crypto news, if you like positivity, if you woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning, we got a huge, good workout today. I'm kind of excited. It's the reason why I'm late. So excuse me, teacher. Excuse me, ma'am, or mister, if I'm in trouble for being late. But I was working out. I was not only pumping my crypto bags while they were not pumping, but I was pumping myself up. Had a great workout this morning. Going to continue. What happened? Well, I hate to say it, and I know I sound really ignorant, but exactly as I predicted. In this video 2 days ago, 84 views. Thank you very much for the 19. Basically, a 25% almost like percentage, almost 20 likes. So I do appreciate that very much. That's huge. This exact video tells us exactly what was going to happen. A lot of people laughed at me. A lot of people have to. You can listen to what Single Guy's saying, and it actually makes total sense. I was that guy. I was saying the same exact stuff. But what's happening here is we're going to continue to come up and get some growth. Peak out around the high there at the 194. See if we can keep poking around and getting there as we're continuing to get a pull up right now. So I must not know what I'm talking about. But hey, this is my channel, right? One day you can have your own channel and you can do what you want. But Single Guy, I'm not making fun of you. I'm not mocking you.
I was having a little talk with a follower.
Pop-up coming.
He asked me why we were buying this.
I took a long position on Solana. This is my not a registered financial
October
advisor.
21st. Pay attention.
Strategy. So yes, of course, please do not follow my strategy at all the time. It may hurt you. But I'm coming on live to tell you the 8 o'clock candle. I did expect a little bit of a pump up, a little bit of some resistance to see if we could touch the 194 level. See if we
all right. So we're watching a video of a video. We know I can't stand that.
So we're going to get over with the dumb video that I did 2 days ago. But if you don't go over there and watch it, it's your fault. This is exactly what I predicted, ladies and gentlemen. October 21. So let's go to the date. October 21st was the date I was doing the TA. Ladies and gentlemen, we were right here. We were right here. This was the day, remember, pumping? And I said, I believe there's another pump coming, and then we'll take some profits at the 212, I said. Well, we started coming in, and if you notice, look at the date, October 21st still, excuse me, so here it was, the candles we're talking about, and this is exactly where we were, excuse me. The time of the candle was the 19th hour, I do remember now, and what happened, ladies and gentlemen, I said I do expect to pump up. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a humongous, massive pump up to the 212. Perhaps we even went further than that, but I know I took profits, and then we're going, and I said in my video, expect a double bottom M pattern, and that was Solana, and it was a double bottom M pattern, and what happened since then, we received the second dead cat bounce, another double M pattern, and here we are right now. As I said to you 48 hours ago, maybe 32, maybe 36 at this point, full down, and it's a good buy support. Best case scenario. So really it was the worst case. I kind of was dyslexic on there. Excuse my French there. But please hit the like and subscribe because this gentleman has got us going on a ride. My strategy seems to be working. So what happened, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get down here and see where we went. I did say at 187 I will be buying more. 190 I'll be buying more. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto, does it again. What the thing is that it may not be over. As I get excited, and yes, you're invited. Check it out. RSI level, relative strength index chart. And what did it do? Well, the trend was my friend, currently down all the way from the October 21st date. When I told you we were coming down, how interesting. What's the coincidental piece of this? The 21st, we talked about how we're going to go down and it would be a good buy. Ladies and gentlemen, the RSI levels are exactly where they need to be, exactly where Wall Street Pete tells you where we could buy and get the low end of the 30 relative strength index. This doesn't always work. So, Gary, good morning to you. Michael Brown, out of town. You're not going to yell at me. This is my show, Michael. So either hit the like and subscribe, Mr. Michael. or tell everybody how much percent you're up since you've been following Wall Street, Pete, because we would appreciate that. If you have some significant gains from some of my moves, and please, I want to hear about it. What's happening here is we're consolidating. We're getting a falling wedge. And ladies and gentlemen, when we get a falling wedge, and we're doing this in this pattern, and it's consolidation, and if you notice, the moves are starting to get a little more insignificant. And what's going to happen is that there's less room to pump in this little falling wedge, and currently the falling wedge will take you to a Tigger bounce. Tiggers bounce, because that's what Tiggers do. And then you're going to get this massive upside pull to the 215 to test again. And if we go back deeper into the charts, we'll know we've tested once before on September 9th, September 11th area. You can't forget that. And this is Solana on TradingView, 1 hour lead chart. It's free if anyone's interested. You can actually get TradingView for free. Pay $10 a month. You will not get the pop-ups. I don't give a shit. I'm a cheap bastard. Call me what you want. I'm Wall Street Pete. So we'll test up one more time, and I hope we break through. And I'm just trying to help you understand a little bit of TA here. This is not financial advice. This just is my strategy. And if you like my strategy, well, pay attention, definitely to mention. I do expect that. And as we're currently down, I owe you all my gains to you, sir. I do appreciate it because I know Mike likes to fool around. This guy, he has a sense of humor, of the funniest guy, whatever you can say. This guy is hilarious and good man, good father. But look. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming down on this RSI level. What's happening to my ribbon? My ribbon is actually showing a bearish momentum with the yellow band outside. We opened up spread. Tell me we're going to get some price action. We're falling down. The double bottom M's are happening. We're going to continue to maybe test. 183 could be it. The best price you could buy for Solana could be the 183.90. Beat the whales. Maybe they don't get it down here. Maybe they don't manipulate it to come down. Maybe this was the price. We already fell to the 187. As I told you, I thought that was it. So small chance we could FOMO out. People's money go down. They get scared, and then they trade on emotion, right? Oh, my money's falling. We're going to go down to the 180s. I can't do this. So maybe I could buy it cheaper. You need to stop trading on emotion. Start watching Wall Street Pete. Hit the like button and subscribe, and then you won't make these stupid moves. What's happening is we're staying right about where we need to be. The relative strength index chart may fall on the Tigger bounce that I told you. Come down a little more, stress you out. It's going to be a shakeout. Bounce back to the upside. Before you know it, we're going to be trading 212. And then before you know it, once we get done with this resistance level, we're going to be trading, and I'm going to end Solana right now. We're going to go on to Shibainu. That's next. We're going to be trading probably 500. We're going to be somewhere around $500 in the month of November. Don't believe me? My vocal cords are getting warmed up. Don't believe me just once. Bum, 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 bum. This is the Wall Street Pete Sicto Crypto Radio Show. DJ Wall Street Pete, check it out. 500. That is my price prediction coming into the month of November. Whether we get there Thanksgiving, and we're thankful for it. So right now, currently, you're looking about a little about 60% of your money growth coming on Solana. So if you're interested, check it out. If I blew your ears out, I'm sorry. It's early morning, but I'm going to buy some more Solana, as I already did. Shiba Inu, please. Let's get to Shiba Inu. What the AF is happening? Wow. So, this is my thought, ladies and gentlemen, as I do have a little bit of a problem. My problem is we are now trading total crypto market total cap is the total crypto's market price cap is 2.15. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on? Hit the like and subscribe. We're getting some altcoins to come out and some people to actually take profits. We're now 23.5 billion in volume for Bitcoin right now. I'm really not too happy about that. We're supposed to be in the 45, 50 billion. If you pay attention, we're still in the 1.1 trillion market cap, but we're supposed to be going 1.2, 1.3. We're supposed to be following through. So right now it's a little bit of a curveball. But pay attention to Ethereum. Ethereum is now sitting, trying to get to $500 billion market cap, and that's a big deal to me. This is a big deal, $500 billion market cap. It's number 2. And if you paid attention to the video I did today, what do I want to talk about? Let's see. So, as I go through here, we talk about this, and we talk about we're live, and please hit like and subscribe. I want to talk about this. This is pretty cool. This is the NBA, and I decided to show you a little chart here. And it's can we be real? Can we be real about this chart? And then this is my little image chart. It's bullshit. It's not a real chart, but it's a little diagram, visual diagram that let's pay attention. If you like the NBA, if you like sports, we're going to talk about the NFL picks today and how last week I creamed them. we killed it on the parlay ticks, and we bought some more crypto. I don't know if you understand that. We made some money on the parlay picks, and I do that every Sunday. So we're going to come to you live in about an hour or two with another live. Who's going to win in the NFL? And if you're interested in that kind of stuff, hang out. Good morning, TJ. Bitcoin is the king of the mountain. Let's be real, right? And that's if you wanted to know who that was Giannis. He won for the Milwaukee Bucks. They won the championship. And then there's obviously who was playing against him, and that should be CP3. If I recall correctly, we have Ethereum representing the second person coming in. That's Mommy, Big Daddy, and the little bastard, right? I believe that's Donovan Mitchell. And Donovan Mitchell is a player, and that's ADA. And then we got Dogecoin, XRP, Bed and Breakfast, BNB, whoever else wants to watch Shiba Inu. If I could get the token up there, I would have put it. I could have put 100 million tokens down here. They're all watching. Everybody's got their eyes. And Ethereum's going to keep moving. Before I waste any more time on that, though, we're going to go right into Shiba Inu. What's going on with Shiba Inu right now is people are doing something called profit taking. And you can't blame them. There's a lot of money that's coming in. There's a lot of money that's coming out. And what seems to be happening right now is there is a new trend, and there's going to be a double top formation. And the double top formation, the double M pattern will start beginning, if you understand what I'm talking about here. And a lot of this is garbage, so I could just remove all of it, and I can start fresh. Here we are, RSI levels, if you see. All the way from the 22nd to the 21st of October. Something seems to be happening since the 21st of October. It was only 3 days ago. Trend is your friend. We continue to get the upward trend. We already know. We talk about it all the time. The trend is your friend. We like to rhyme. We like to have fun. In the long run here, the trend does stop. The trend eventually calms down. And what happens is we consolidate back down, and it does look like Shiba Inu is now going ready to do that in the first 2 hourly candles here. The last 2 hours, there's a volume of profits being taken out that's tremendously big. And it's just the beginning. So I'm trying to show you on the 4 hourly chart here, and this is on TradingView if you want to follow Shiba Inu. This is the FTX, and you might want to pay attention to the platform of FTX. Curry, Stephen Curry, Tom Brady, Gronkowski are all invested in the FTX crypto. So what's going to happen is there's going to be a new trend, and the new trend is going to do a dead cat bounce, right? Bounce off here. When was the last time we bounced? Well, it's going to be at the 6126 relative strength index strength. It'll come down there to the 61. It'll get another bounce. It won't go past the higher high there. It'll come back and then go, and the trend will be your friend on the new trendward slope, which will be come down here. I know it sounds boring and it's getting crazy, but please hit the like and subscribe because I'm showing you some really important information. So what will happen is whether we hit the bottom here again, I don't know, because currently that's where Solana is. And if you looked at it, you would have seen that's why we're getting a pump up. Real quick, I just want to retrace back. That's where we are on the hourly. What does the hourly look? The 4 hourly look like? Not so much. The 4 hourly is still bullish, even though the hourly is bullish too, but this is quickly Solana. I just want to show you on the RSI levels. Now I expect to pump up. And this is where it's coming from. And hey, it could fake me out, but this is one indicator that I do. And I did check the RSI level, and I did check the EMA, exponential moving average, and we're starting to get something like that. What is that? Well, that's an upward W last time I checked. And the RSI level will follow with the Solana upward W. It's a mess, so we're not even going to look at that. But Shiba Inu now. So what I'm talking about is this is probably a nice Fibonacci sequence level down. And this is an easy one, ladies and gentlemen, an easy one. This is absolutely one of the easiest ones I've done. This is not going to last for days. So if you happen to hit the bell notification and you do get this stuff live, eat this up. Eat this up, as this is not financial advice. So what happened? I would have told you without seeing this red candle fall all the way down, I would have said, well, if I'm Wall Street Pete, and this is my strategy on Shiba Inu, and please pay attention carefully because this is what I'm doing. It doesn't mean you have to do this. It's already been done. The price level of Shiba Inu was 0.786, so I did it the wrong way. If we do it the way I like to do it, we're going to set this up differently. This is Wall Street Pete's method, so please don't get confused with what he does. 1 second. There we go, backing up. I did it the wrong way for myself here. Let me go here. Okay, now. All right. So the first level, and this is showing pretty telling right here to me, beautiful. First level is going to take me down to here at this first level Fibonacci sequence is the 2.36. 2.36 then followed by the next level, which is the 38.2 pullback sequence. It's just a sequence. It's nothing else. It's just a measurement tool. Uncle Fibonacci created it for Wall Street Pete, I believe. I feel like he made this just for me because I feel like I'm the only one who uses it this way. Other people use this in the way it's supposed to be done, and I use this in a way that I found that crypto moves with it. So you can't teach this. Maybe one day if you watch my 100,000th video, maybe you'll figure it out, but long story short, this works. People want to know how it does. I try to explain to you. Just watch the show. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and you'll go on a ride, and we'll be at the moon. Hopefully, we'll be there soon. So Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and crypto. 38, 36 level. If you see here, the 50% is my typical pullback. I know we got a lot of lines. This is why we have a bunch of lines. There's so many lines Wall Street could sniff them, right? Could snort them, whatever you want to call. And that's just a terrible joke. But here we are now. Shiba Inu. What I expect is a pullback. The pullback price is 38.16, and it's 38.4 here on my screen just to make it enlarged for you. What I expect now, and we got to pull some indicators out. We got the volume out. We got this. We'll go EMA. There's a pullback here, and it makes total sense. There's FOMO that's going to take it back up, and it's going to make it difficult to do this downward momentum. It's going to make it difficult. Let's be real. So many people are excited. So many people are uneducated. So many new green people are in the space right now, in the crypto space. So what's going to happen? All the money's going to funnel in, and the volume's going to continue to creep up, and this is actually going to move up. We're going to continue to create new higher highs, and it's just is what it is, all-time highs, and I believe that we're going to keep going. I would have said that the pullback is here, which we did already. The next pullback as, oh no, we just got offline. Oh, that's fun. 1 second. I've never had this happen before, so please hang tight. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a problem here. Okay, I apologize, ladies and gentlemen. I've never had that happen before. That was actually wild. Had a little technical difficulty there. It seems like somebody's watching our channel ghostly, and it's really interfering lately. I'll tell you, we get some weird things happening. So good morning, everybody that's new to the channel. Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and crypto. We are actually getting a FOMO up, and the FOMO's real. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, when your money starts falling, the emotion kicks in. It's real. So right now we're receiving the first pull-up here on the 4-hourly, and as I said, Shiba broke the charts. Yeah, as I'm predicting exactly live, I'm telling you, instead of it continuing to fall, it's going to turn green. I kind of just told you that. And this is just very high volatile moves. It just, you can say I got lucky. You can say whatever you want. The charts tell me what's happening here. And it's going to start falling. Eventually, there's going to be a pullback. There's only so much more this can keep going in. But if the FOMO keeps coming in on the money, and if everybody keeps buying, then there's nothing we could do. 41% in the last 24 hours, 56% in the last 7 days. So you know that this move is pretty much in the last 24 hours. What are we doing? Well, we have 11 billion in crypto volume in the last 24 hours for Shiba. It's in the 13th spot now. And if you didn't notice, Solana is now in the 6th spot. Very big news. We will be in the $500 mark. Mark my words. Don't believe me. Don't believe me. Just watch, right? We scream it every day. Polkadot will be doing something in the hundreds. I don't know what to tell you, but this market is going to make a lot of people rich. I'm telling you right now. And Shiba Inu is doing something that I didn't expect for it to be doing right now, okay? Wall Street, Pete, and I'm telling you this. I didn't expect any of this to be real. I thought it would take a little longer. Well, guess what? It's starting to really show that Dogecoin really was a stomping ground. Do you understand? Dogecoin, if it wasn't for Dogecoin, no belief, the belief. It's all about a belief. If you believe in something enough, you can do it. It's just like a dream. If you believe enough in your dreams and you believe in crypto and the world starts believing, I heard statistics say on a statistic that 18% of people in the world are now into crypto. Could you imagine? 18%, ladies and gentlemen. Shiba Inu is continuing to create new highs on the daily. It's having some couple days. Expect a retracement coming shortly. I'll tell you right now, there's no way that Shiba Inu, even on the daily, and I'm going to the daily, I'm showing you a couple things. There's no way it's going to keep doing that. Will it match it coming up here? Yes, it will. If it matches it, well, guess what? We're just going to go come back up, and you're going to get one more chance to sell some more. There is going to be a retracement coming on Shiba Inu. If you don't believe it, you're going to find out the hard way. This can only do this so many times until it starts curving and coming down and you get the head and shoulders pattern formation. What we were doing, well, we were starting to get that. So if you see here the resistance on this hourly chart, and this is an hourly, we're going sideways, getting ready to break down. Every time sideways action comes, depending on where you are in the market, it's a big fall up, fall down. We take profits. It takes time. Nothing happens immediately, right? Just like how we had to pump up, well, we got to pump down the same way. If you see this support level, it was strong as hell. 1 hour, this one candle tells you a lot. This one candle, this one wick, whatever you may want to call this, and when it went up and hit the resistance level here and broke through it on the last hour, 2 hours, that's a big sign. We're going to get one more touch up, and then we're going to get the head, and we're going to fall down. And I don't care what you say. The FOMO can only keep coming in as much as it can unless one of the whales, Elon or somebody, comes in and just puts a massive buy in. And that would be really stupid, right? Because they would have been down here, or perhaps down here. Right? I mean, look at the price. The price is ridiculous. We're adding zeros onto this number, and we're starting to see Sicto in crypto. We're starting to see anything in crypto. It's starting to really show. People are starting to believe. People are starting to get an understanding of what the market is. I'm not kidding. A lot of people are starting to shift over. I didn't know it was going to be this quick, but people, if you understand me, right, real quick, I want to show you the crypto market's really starting to explode, and top analysts are leaving Wall Street to trade crypto. Yesterday's news, I mean, this is what we do, and if you like this stuff, sometimes we go back and forth, we alternate, and don't get upset. Move over Wall Street, the digital age has begun. Former Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs executives join Amber Group. They recently appointed Todd Miller as America's Chief Operating Officer. So, and Demetrius, whatever his name is, I just butchered the shit out of it, as the Chief Strategy Officer. They're starting to get into this a little too quickly. Like, everything is starting to FOMO in a little too fast. It's starting to become a little too easy. Does anybody ever have that feeling when something's too good to be true? It usually is. Well, yeah, that's honestly, that's how crypto's starting to feel. And I want to get back to Shiba because we talked about Solana, what it's going to do, and I want to add the EMA, and then we're going to probably go. Maybe I'll do some Bitcoin news with it, and then we will head out, and then we're going to have to do another. We're going to do another video. I got a lot of stuff to do today. We're going to do another video talking about the NFL picks and how we're going to make more Sicto in crypto. The dominance is good. So this is what the hourly. We're going to go to the 4-hourly. So if anyone wants to follow me, we're on the 4-hourly of Shiba Inu. And I don't like it because it's not telling me enough information. It is giving me that we're going to kind of pull back sooner or later, which is quite fine, quite all right, right? We're still already set up for this to be a red candle. It's going to go up and down. It's having emotions right now. People are waking up and going, I'm up 500. I'm up. How much? Well, let's see. If you got invested in last night, right? Let's talk about it. If you got invested last night, and we can get rid of the Fibonacci now. Why? Because we got the lines there, right? Sick. So this is what we could do. And then watch, I'll show you what I'm going to do. We're going to go with the percentage. This is fun. Some people don't know how to do this, and I understand. Maybe that's why it makes this show so exciting, or maybe this is why you like it. But we're going to go all the way from here to here to pump up and see what you did on your percentage. And what is this? 4-hourly. So if you got into crypto yesterday and you said, let me go check out Shiba Inu, and you happen to sell the top and you were just killing it, you are now up over 60% on your Shiba Inu in 24 hours or less. This is what the crypto market can do. Now, can we talk about the other end? Because don't be a fool. You could do this way down 120%. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. If they decide that they want to make this baby tank and they want to get back in, those are the levels you're going to get back at. And I'm trying to help you understand the market a little bit. This is a Fibonacci sequence level. And if you're looking to get back into Sicto crypto, well, you got to check the Solana TA I did. Because the Solana TA, ladies and gentlemen, not many people are really paying attention. This right here, and this was the worst case scenario, the pink. And I was showing you just the M's, because that wasn't the worst case scenario, excuse me. I was showing you this bar, and I said we're going to come down to here on this wick, worst case scenario, $1.89. This was 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Ladies and gentlemen, we did exactly what I said. Now, what happens if we get this? Because this is what I'm predicting on Solana, as I really didn't get to do it. Solana's coming to retest. And you see what's happening? We're going to retest. And when we do, I think we're going to break out. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to break out. Do you understand where Solana is? Do you understand where Solana is on the relative strength index chart? What it looks like everywhere else? There's only a little bit more of a tank fall to 183 possible. And then after that, this dead cat bounce is over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not financial advice. This is my strategy. My strategy has been kicking ass and taking names. And I'm not going to have an argument with you on it. Just please hit the like and subscribe. People have been watching. People have been seeing what's going on. Your opinion, what's your ETA of Shiba Inu going to start dipping? Right now, we must be talking about it. You must be listening, because right now, I'm trying to explain it to you, is that I think it's done dipping. When is it going to start? Mike, where the fuck you been? Excuse my French. Mike, it's been dipping for the last 3 days. Are you doing your own dip? What? We were at 2.15, 16 cents
on the 22nd. I told you that that was going to happen. We were here, and I said we're going to pump up. I'm going to sell at 212. I said this. We were all here when it happened. There's the 212 on my left. That's why this is all. I said resistance. Well, guess what? We fucking got it. And it was right here at these hours, and I sold. And then what did I do? Well, I dollar cost average into this jump. I bought some at $1.90, bought some at 187. Now what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to sell the F out again, dollar cost average out, right here on this price at the 212 again, 215, because I know that's coming. I know it's coming. I don't know when it's coming, but I know it's coming. You know, it's like me and you and your girl when you're out for the first time. You first meet your girl and you have sex for the first time. You know you're coming tonight, but you just don't know when. So here it is. This is going to be either resistance or a breakthrough, and the breakthrough is going to take us to 500. So we're back on Solana. Hit the like and subscribe. If you got any questions, anybody got a question, a token they want me to do live TA on, well, we got the followers here watching. Let's get one. This is a lesson. This is a falling wedge, and every time I talk about this falling wedge and I say that these in here get tired, there's going to be a breakout. The latest time frame is October 26th. Wow. October 26th, October 25th, I do predict some type of a breakout coming to the upside all the way past here. And I do believe that this is going to happen. We're going to get to 250. We're going to be trading 250 after the end of this month coming. And I don't know if it's going to be the 25th. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's November 5th. Maybe that's the date. But I'll tell you right now, between now and then November 5th, I expect 250 Solana easily. You understand me? That's easily. 250 Solana easily by end of November. I expect something different. Let's do it right? Let's give it by end of November. I do expect Solana to be trading somewhere around here, and this is going to surprise some people, but that's honestly Wall Street Pete's prediction here. There's going to be some FOMOing, and there's no gas fees. If you don't know anything about Solana, go get yourself a Solana Punk and hold it. Pretend you don't own it. Pretend you don't even have it. Put the Solana Punk in your NFT art wallet. Get a ledger. Get a hard dry storage so no one can hack your shit and take it. And put it in there and hide it and hodl it. That's what I'm telling you to do. Hodl an NFT Solana Punk. 0 fees. You don't have to pay any fees. You just got to pay the fee to get it to the wallet. Transfer it. I'll teach you one day maybe if you don't know how. And this is what's going to happen with Solana. We're already here. I've already predicted many things that's happened. We've been on fire. So much on fire that right now I should have blowing the fucking fire department here and getting extinguishers over here. It's nuts. But I know you guys believe in me. I know you see it. We talked about Dash. I'm waiting for a coin. Anybody want to talk about a coin? Matic, thank you. How about a little TA on Jasmy? Okay. So 2 coins that we're doing, and that's it, and we're done. But I wanted to talk about Dash. If you've seen my videos, go type in Dash. Do me a favor. Go type in Dash. As I told you, 250 is coming. 30 days or less above and beyond will be 250. I mean, you can watch that video. We were trading. It's probably around this time. We're trading 170. So just pay attention. Definitely to mention on this. But this is Dash. It's another quality token. And when we say this stuff is going to happen, it eventually happens. We see the history. We pay attention. It's very important. So without further ado, let's get to Jasmy. I'm kind of interested on what's happening. And this ascending triangle is starting to look real on Jasmy. Do you think ETC will ever feel some love? Did you ever watch my video, TJ, when we went for $54 and I said everybody needs to buy, this is about to explode, and then we went all the way to 144 and everybody was like, oh my god, Wall Street Pete's the only one talking about this. Do me a solid and go back to the Ethereum Classic videos back 3 months ago, whenever it was, and I was the only one talking about it, and everyone jumped on Wall Street Pete's junk. That's what happens. You're only as good as your last, and I get it. It makes a lot of sense. I love a lot of y'all in here. A lot of y'all the reason why I'm still here. A lot of y'all the reason why I still continue to do this channel. We're continuing to build support at the 7 cents. 7-1. This is Jasmy, whatever you want to call it. I call it Jasmy. It says J-A-S-My. So Jazz is my, and Jazz my ass. I think that we're going to get either the same type of scenario. But the thing is, what I'm getting at is, if you look at this chart, and this is just dead eye chart looking, we got the volume on the bottom, we don't have any indicators, but we got a ribbon. And a ribbon every time shows us that when we get some boring sideways action, which 100%, if this isn't boring sideways action, if we look the 19th, the people are impatient, 19th, 21st, look at that. 3 days of boring sideways action. People are losing their mind over 3 days. Seriously, and they get bored. And what's happening is they don't see the trend line. They don't see what's happening. They don't see the pattern. They start losing. They just start losing all emotion. They start trading on emotion. We're going to go yellow if we can see that. And what are you seeing here? I'm starting to show you what's happening here. I want people to really get crypto. Resistance, boom, 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 right? We finally broke through. We got that. What I was telling you on the measurement, I knew that was coming. We talked about it. So now we're consolidating, and not really consolidating, we're coiling, excuse me, for this move. And if you see here, I'm going to go bigger. And that's what she said. Let's go bigger. There we are there. And then we're just continuing. If you see every time we peak out on the resistance up here, we start creating new higher lows. And if you're paying attention, this is Jasmy. We're doing this for a couple of our big fans here. Gonna have to throw it into the title now. But if you're paying attention, definitely to mention, by the time we get here, a lot of people are gonna go, how the fuck did you know that? Because I'm good as motherfucker would. Here it is. So once again, annoying as it is, I'm sorry, but this mother effing price is here again. 0.068. If I see that price one more time, I'm going to lose it, right? Well, guess what? Here it comes. If we don't build support, if we don't build the support that we're supposed to be building at this sense here, it's just going to do a Tigger bounce. Tiggers bounce, and that's what Tiggers do. Yes, I do believe that we're going to get that move to the upside at J-like substance, which is going to give you your ultimate W, your upward W. We talk about it all the time on my channel, and I know some of you don't get it. What the fuck is he talking about? A W is bullish, a M is bearish. And if you pay to the charts, pay attention, you'll get your downward M's as I predicted this one precisely and said this is the first one, and then I told you all the way down. We know it's the history. We already talked about it. Wall Street Pete is starting to know what he's doing here. People are starting to pay attention. People are starting to like, wow. I think that this is our upward W. I think we're not even going to get that. So the only way to find out is the relative strength index with that, because I do like it. And like I said, how many times we say it, I know it gets annoying. It's like Dr. Seuss is on the loose. The trend is your friend. And if the trend continues to do this, well, then we're going to get that. And what is that? Well, that's what I keep showing you. What is that? Well, new higher low, new higher low. What is going on? Well, we're getting our wheels ready to ride. Going up to touch resistance again. See if we could top out to the 9 cents. And what is the big number that it keeps tipping? This is only the Coinbase, so please, this is not the entire life scale of it. But if we hit 9 cents, I'm out. I'm out like trout. I'm telling you right now, Sicto in crypto, it's only a matter of time before this next one does this. And I'm trying to explain to you, it's a falling wedge again. It's just a continuation of the patterns. And what is happening? Well, this is the third leg up. And it's the same thing with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has 3 legs up right now. It's on its third leg up. I don't believe that Shiba Inu is going to keep doing its leg up. It works in the head shoulders pattern. So what's happening is this is the head, this is the shoulder, right? Look at the shoulder. The shoulder's big. We might have formed a double top here. I hope not. I hope I'm not forming a double top. We're getting our next leg up. In order to get my next leg up, I'm going to tell you the next projection, where we're going, and I do believe it's 9 cents. Now, if all this adds up, I'll be so confident I'll give you an 80% feeling that this is happening. All right? So what happens first? We're going to do the measurement. What's the measurement? Well, Wall Street Pete's about to tell you right now. So if I take this wick, and if I go to this wick, and that's the strength I got from here, and if I click on here, and I know just some people are like, wow, some are amazed, some are just like, what the fuck is he even doing? If we hit 9 cents here, I'm going to be happy as a mother effer. And let's see. And ooh, wow. So the chance, it's telling me right here on this 8-7. I mean, I'll stick to that. So that's where I'm going to take my profits. That's Wall Street Pete in a nutshell. This is my strategy only, please. It's not financial advice. But please, this is going to be the top. I do believe this is going to be my head. I do believe this is going to be my head. Head and shoulders pattern. What will happen? We'll FOMO to the top. Everyone will see Jasmy's moving. The money will tap out to the top of 9 cents. I'll be safe because in case it doesn't happen, I'm going to beat the whales. And if you want to beat the whales, you got to become a whale. So how do you become a whale? Well, you got to beat the fucking whale. Excuse my French, right? We're going to have a good day. La-di-da-da. Yeah. Ain't no one got it done today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. Yeah, yeah. This is the Wall Street Pete Sicto Crypto Show. Talk about positivity. We talk about TA Crypto News. We talk about the crypto market. We talk about where I'm from. This gentleman is talented, has music all his life. He used to wake up to drums, bass, vocals, all this type of growing up when I was young. That's why we sing. That's why we do it. My mother used to sing. She used to battle depression to beat it. How high can one go? So Harmony Token 1, that's got me screwed up right now. It's done. It's consolidating. It's got the head and shoulders pattern. It's going to come back down to like 22 cents. It's going to give us all a break. Maybe 27 cents. It's going to shoot. It shot its load. Let's be real. Harmony 1 token is a peer-to-peer network. What happened? Well, if you notice right here, clear as day, Jay. Let's pay attention to what's happening, because really you got to pay attention, because some people just don't see it. I'm going to go to do the TA on Matic for my buddy, but I just want you to see here, this is definitely something like an inverted head and shoulders. And then if you look here, there's the shoulder, or a shoulder here, which is really most likely, there's the shoulder, excuse me, and now it's an inverted head and shoulders pattern. You're now getting the head, which is now the inverted. So if I did all my TA, and I don't really give a shit, I just do what I do, remove everything, and I'm going to tell you real quick, because I owe the Matic move. And this is how confident I feel. This is where the inverted might have been lower. F me. Let's not do it on the daily. It doesn't look good. Let's do it on, there it is. There it is, kids. Beautiful. Fibonacci level. And I'm going to go back to Matic, and then we're out of here like Vladimir. Right here. This doesn't mean it's going to finish here. So if this does finish and close this candle in 2 hours and 55 minutes, which is the 12 o'clock time and 3 hours for me on the eastern coast here, we do believe that we'll get a quick pullback. And I'm looking at it really, really fast. I'm going to go to 50% because that's usually what it did. It just did hit. So it did come down. Wow. All right, so it came up from there. 50% pullback plus this. So I'm looking right here at the big chance you can get it at 23.5 cents. It may take some time. It may never come. Worst case scenario is there, and that's what I'm looking at, the Harmony 1 token, a peer-to-peer network, just like the Pi network. Kind of excited about it. What I'll see is either this pullback here, which is possible, and then after it does that at the 27.4, that's possibly that you're done there, and that's going to build support and go sideways, and you're going to get another pull-up or this. So there's two scenarios for that. Come down, and then it'll do that falling wedge, and then you'll have Wall Street P going, hey, guys, look, I got a falling wedge here. In a little bit, it's going to break out. I mean, it's the same shit over and over. It's just a different token. And, oh, yeah, it's going to break out, and then here you go again with this shit, and then this is an inverted, and then maybe the inverted head and shoulders pattern does break down lower to where I said at the 25, which is this 0.618 Fibonacci level. So this is all the scenarios that play out. You buy the high, right, and then you get hurt. So buy low, sell high, stop selling, trading on emotion. Matic to the attic. Let's talk about it right now. Matic's got me a little concerned. What is it doing? It's doing an ascending triangle pattern. What's happening is it looks like a rising wedge. And the rising wedge for Matic, and I hope you can keep up. Hit the like and subscribe if you can. Some people can't. I understand you can't sign in. But look what's happening here. And I'm believing that this is what's going to happen. And we're getting consolidation. We're starting to move up. And Matic's going to start at the 170 level and come back. And I do believe that Matic will be back to the 2-something level as it did at 220, I thought. Yeah. But we have to get to the 170. Where is that? Let's get there right about. Wow, we're looking really good there, too. There it is, 179, 180. So, really important level to get to on Matic as we're going to the attic, right? Pay attention to that. Damn, Pete, I didn't know. Nice pipes. I play 12 inches. That's sick. Yeah. So I tell everybody my girlfriend is Ethereum, right? And you ever heard a song with R. Kelly? That's my favorite song. And a lot of people say, well, we're messing with the same girl because Ethereum is my girlfriend. The same girl. Yeah, we're doubling up and we've been messing with the same damn girl. Talking about the pink one, and I'm talking about the blue one. And she told me that was turned off. It's obvious that she's been playing us. Yeah, we like to listen. We like to sing music. It's crazy, right? See, I'm better in Chicago. It's not even a loud one. I just don't want to hurt your voice. I don't want to hurt my voice, hurt your ears. But, yeah, it's crazy, man. I could sing. I could probably break a window if I started practicing and worked my vocals. We're going to make a studio. We're going into the studio soon, so maybe you'll start hearing more DJ Wall Street Pete. But this is, if you're paying attention right now, this is something that's looking really, really bullish at this moment. If you see, we're going to tap out to the 262 level. I do believe that that's the 260 level is somewhere where I want to take some profits on Matic. Yeah, it's crazy. The same girl. She's been doubling us, but we've been messing with the same damn girl. Yeah, man. It's my song. That's my jam. I love that song. And if you have Ethereum, we're messing with the same girl. The same girl. Yes, sir. I love it. That song is so great, man. There are a lot of good songs, right? We're talking about a lot of good songs on this channel. Just got to have a good positive attitude. You'll be watching the charts. You'll be singing too, you know. You'll be singing some corny things, right? Ooh, 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 why don't you? Right? We'll be singing Buttercup. Build me up, Buttercup, baby, just to let you down. I need you more than anyone, darling. Don't leave me out in the rain. Build me up, Buttercup, don't break my heart. All right, enough of that. Wall Street P, Sicto Crypto. We're here for you every day. We sing. We have high-quality coins we like to talk about. Share with a friend. We do a lot of things. I used to have people actually sit in front of my house, believe it or not, and they used to sit there and rock with their lighters, and my mom would be singing, my dad would be playing the drums. It was crazy. As a teenager, I had a wild life, and I could sing my ass off sometimes, and, you know, if you don't believe me, don't believe me just once. Bum, 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 bum. This is the Wall Street Pete Show. Sicto Crypto. My credentials, they're right here. We worked on Wall Street. This is the man who actually did it. Okay, we're not coin pumpers. We don't do this shit. We actually do this stuff. Bro, I moved to Alabama from Brooklyn 6 months ago. You make me homesick. I love New York. New York is my home. This is where I work, New York Mercantile Exchange in Manhattan. Every day I took the ferry, $750 a month just to get there. Guess what? That shit was wild. When you make $150K a year, you would pay fucking $7K a year to get there. I used to wake up in the morning. Could you imagine waking up in the morning like this? Ready? Wake up, I hear my alarm. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I was a youngster and a gangster, I guess, because 8 o'clock, nobody wakes up at 8 o'clock to go to New York City. I used to wake up at 8 o'clock, get to New York City by 10. The market opened at 10:10, and the post close was 2:35, 2:45. I had the life. I worked 5.5 hours a week, 25 hours a week if the market didn't go fucking nuts and we weren't there stuck on the floor with a big problem. Let me do it real quick. A lot of people don't know where I'm from. A lot of people started this channel and has never, ever understood that Wall Street Pete is not a fake name. We had, back in the day before I was there, Robert Downey Jr., he visited the NYMEX, and we're just doing a quick little bullshit talk here. I want people to understand the background. I actually had this gentleman, he came and visited the floor before I was there. Awesome. Wall Street. There it is. Listen to this shit. This girl's name is Gina. Jeannie. That's Top Gun. I know that gentleman. Awesome dude. This is where I worked. Barry? Oh, I fucking love Barry from Gotham Futures. There he is, Robert Downey Jr. in the flesh, young as a buck. This is how the market was before you guys got here. I just want you to understand that.
If money is evil, then that building is hell. This is the most obnoxious group of money-hungry.
He gets sick because people are banging each other on their arms. Look at it. That's where I worked, ladies and gentlemen. That's the same place. There's nothing hidden here. I worked here. I loved it here. And we have people who actually watch Wall Street Pete every day, and I'm humbled. Thank you so much. It is crazy. So if you want to do a trade, you're gonna scream across the room. 20, buy 20 Dogecoin. 20 Dogecoin at 23 cents. And the guy's got to go, okay, sell. And he's selling you. If there's nobody selling it to you, guess what? Your order doesn't get filled. They're trading. Buy natural gas. That was the natural gas pit. So gas is going nuts now. So everybody's going nuts. They're buying it. It's hard to find the fucking sellers. The people who are selling are the people who were back in January when they bought Dogecoin and Ethereum at $9.98. Yes, Ethereum was trading $998 in January. Because you fucking imagine? That's why I'm saying Matic is going to the attic. I really don't have to do TA on Matic. It's going to do it all by itself. It's an Ethereum network. And if people don't really understand what's going on, I mean, I started this channel and I was telling people at the price in January, like, yo, get some Ethereum. This shit's going to make you rich. And a lot of people were like, what? What are you talking about? All my friends. It's the future of money. They're like, this fucking clown. And excuse my French, but this is the shit I heard. Oh, we went to school with this idiot. Yeah, he worked on Wall Street. He thinks he fucking knows everything. Okay. So where's your money at in January, Wall Street? Yeah, I have a platform for Ethereum hidden from 4,000 on this. And then I had some hidden here, you know. I just want you to understand that in the time, could you imagine getting into Ethereum before this year? Could you imagine November 2017, $288? Could you imagine, even better yet, lower, $35? I mean, I'm trying to help you understand that this is about Solana. This video is about Solana, about Cardano, and things of that nature. Solana's on its way. I don't know if you understand it. Solana is on its way the same way Shiba Inu is on its way faster than Dogecoin. And I told you this was coming, and I said, pay attention to the levels, right? Let's look at the levels. That's a percentage, excuse me. I thought it was the Fibonacci. That's kind of irritating that I didn't know that. This video is going so long, and it's just because everyone's interacting, and I love it. Maria Bart, the money honey. But I want you to understand that these levels are real. Whether it's the 4-weekly, the daily, they will hit, they will come back. And we already hit it. So my point is this was probably a good buy. Somebody bought this, sick as they are. 50%, I believe that this was a 50% pullback. So I'm trying to explain to you, if it did all of these moves and it became and did this, that might be the end. And the bottom end here, well, the bottom end for it is 33. You never would have thought, right? You never would have thought that I'd be talking about this shit, because I didn't think I would be. I didn't think not this soon, not this early. It's happening, ladies and gentlemen. Wall Street, Pete, Sickno, and Crypto. We're making money on shit coins. We're doing some things that I'm blown away. Some of the stuff, if you sit here, I know these videos are long, but if you sit here and watch some of this, you've got to be making gains. You've got to be making gains. We're accumulating more Bitcoin. We're accumulating more coins. And Solana has no gas fees. That's why I'm big on Solana. Solana has 0 gas fees. Ethereum, that's what held it back. So why is Solana going to fail when NFT arts, punks, Solana punks, I mean, I'm telling you, if we don't get and we break through this neckline, I'm going to tell you what this neckline is right now, and I'm getting off because I've had enough of this. I got so much shit to do today. Excuse my French. 197. All right. Let me tell you right now, as we did this, let me tell you something, right? I remember with Jim Carrey, me and my buddy Travis used to make fun of him. We used to be fucking clowns, man. We were pranksters. 195, 196. Let me tell you right now, 195, 196 right there, okay? If we break through that neckline, it's going to be, all hell is going to break loose. And if you don't understand, ladies and gentlemen, what an upward W looks like, well, then pay attention definitely to mention. Because I'm telling you right now, the circumstances, that the indicators, the upward W on a 4-hourly is looking so real as steel. My heart is pumping. I'm getting excited. If you're not getting excited, ladies and gentlemen, over this shit, I don't know what's going to get you excited. Do you have a heartbeat? Listen, not to my heartbeat, to me. That's coming. I don't care what anybody says. This is coming. This is most likely the next move for Solana. I can't be loud enough. I can't go crazy enough. I could say I was one of them. We were burning the streets of New Jersey before your fame. That's funny as hell. But this is the channel. This is where we go. It's the best channel in the world. We go a little long sometimes, but listen, I'm going to go live. What coin right now, ladies and gentlemen, do you want me to keep up? I'm thinking Solana. I think today is the day. This is it. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to drop the fucking mic. I may drop the mic and break it and have to go buy a new one after the show. There's a chance. I'm just saying. So please hit the like and subscribe if you've yet to do so. Please, and go visit our Wall Street Pete Sickno Crypto song. If you have yet to hear it, please, 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 please. On my knees. We do have a hater, and his name is Stephen de Blasio. So if anybody knows who Stephen de Blasio is, he's on my channel actually hitting the dislike button. I'll put money on that. I just predicted that one too. He's a bitch. He's talking a lot of shit to me, harassing me, threatening me every day. It's funny, man. I actually have a big hater. Someone's threatening me every day on my channel, on emailing me, texting me. It's wild. I've never seen anybody immature in my life. I actually have a hater. I have somebody trying to come after me, and it's like, dude, I hit you with one punch and you'll disintegrate into ashes. Like, we'll get an urn for you if I hit you one time. So I hope you're watching. I hope you hear it because I'm about to come to your house soon. And it's scary because Wall Street Pete doesn't do that no more. That's the New York gangster, New Jersey kind of talk. And this is my channel. I can talk whatever I want. There's no threats. I'm being threatened constantly every day. I don't know if anyone knows that. Wall Street Pete every day is getting threatened. Did you believe that? Some guy is threatening Wall Street Pete the last 24 hours every day. Listen, I'm not unstoppable. I'm not human strength, fucking Superman. But, you know, I don't deserve it. It's crazy. But I have my own show, so I can talk about whatever I want. And I decided to talk about my personal business here. I'm getting that big. I'm getting phone calls. They're not stopping. TA, this, that. And then people are just hating and they want to fight me. It's crazy. Well, unfortunately, if it doesn't stop, I'm going to have to take action and do legal, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to fight. I'm not scared of nobody. But pay attention to the levels we talked about on Solana. I'm Wall Street Pete, Sickno and Crypto. I'm a real dude. I have real life issues like you do. We have problems paying bills sometimes, right?
We have more money in crypto than we have anywhere, right? This is how it is. This is how you live. You keep investing, you live. You struggle. You struggle in order to be able to live large. And if you pay attention, that W is coming. If you see these candles are getting smaller and smaller, it was a decent buy. I do notice that was a good buy, 187. If you watched my videos before, you do know that. And if you do know him, know the guy I'm talking about, just give him a heads up and just say, you're really busting Pete's balls a little too much. Give the guy a break. He's trying to run a business here, and that's why he freaked out on you. I'm trying to do so much. Bro, I'm trying to do so much. I was trying to do TA on my channel. I got this guy telling me I'm doing stupid stuff. I can't believe it. You suck. I'm a commissioner. I'm undefeated. It happens. When you're a winner, people start hating the winners. I get it. No, I'm serious. The hate is real. If you have not gotten there, and I'm sure many people have gone up and gone down, I'll probably go down the ladder again. I'll probably go down as I rise. It's okay. I'll come back up. DMX, right? I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. But pay attention to the levels. It could be a dead cat bounce coming here at the tip of 196. If it doesn't break through, that's what you're going to get. You're going to receive a cheaper buy at 183. That's all I'm trying to tell with you with Solana. More problems in the math class here. It's crazy, dude. Like I said, the more famous you get, the more people you got in your life. Sometimes it's just one of those things, man. I wish the gentleman would stop, but it is what it is. He wants to keep fighting, and he wants to be miserable, so maybe his life is more miserable than mine. It is what it is. But if you like Sick Doing Crypto, if you like this saga, if you like this opera place, then get involved. But just a couple of things. Follow us on Instagram. st.pete. It's that time of year. Zombie Gang, Solana Punks, Michael Jackson, one of my idols. I was 5 years old in my diaper singing Michael Jackson. I have videos of that on VHS. Don't believe me? One day maybe I'm going to shoot him out, but I was born to sing, I think. I swear I was doing Thriller, and I'm sitting here 5 years old singing, and, Justin Timberlake did that, and I guess 5 years old, music was your thing. My time is over for that, but it is what it is. That's pretty cool that you were a bartender at Park Slope. We used to go to the Merc Bar every day in Manhattan on Vesey Street. So if you're familiar with Vesey Street, that's exactly where we were. But pay attention to this. I want to get a Solana Punk. I have just one coming in that we're going to order, and we're going to try and make sure that we hodl it and hold it forever. We do TA all day long, so if you're interested in this kind of stuff, please, there's my Instagram. We're going to get out of here. It sucks, Mike. You know exactly who I'm talking about. I want to hear you singing Christmas carols every day. Spread the love. Me and Charlie were just talking about that. We were younger. We were hustlers. We used to go to door to door. You can't do that today. You get fucking shot. You go door to door. We used to go door to door and knock on the door and go, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you wouldn't even say it was. Stupid stuff like that. And people be like, $20. I'm not kidding. We were jumping up and down like little kids asking. Listen, this is the channel we talk about music. This is the channel we talk about crypto. But in the green, wallst.pete. That's where we are right there for Instagram. And I hear the echo in my house. Somebody is watching Wall Street Pete right now in the house. That's kind of cool. I do have some visitors over today. But here we are. Also, big news. If you follow me, this is what I'm talking about. We do crypto news. We sing. We do all this positivity. I wake up on the right side of the bed for a reason. Vigilant Burton, and this is not fake. Ethereum will hit 26,9999 per price prediction and E2 halvings. There's a lot of things going on with Ethereum. This is why Ethereum is my girlfriend. And I want you to understand that. This is what's going on. So there was a big video going on. He was definitely on. This was a live stream. There was I can't even tell you. It was like I think 200,000 people watching live during that channel. I was watching it. This is what you got to do if you want to be someone. If you want to be successful, you got to do research. Come sing at my door. I'll send you some ETC. Damn, I'm coming. Send me some BTC ETH. And then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Right? Be like Jackson 5. We used to seriously sing at people's doors, and we had some people, good followers. Gentleman, smart dude. Is this for real? I don't blame him for questioning that. That is, well, we're going to be doing some Christmas songs. We're doing our own songs. Wait till you find out. Walking in a crypto wonderland. It's crazy what we do here. So pay attention, definitely to mention all the charts. Please like us, follow us on Instagram. The crypto market cap does have my attention. I'm getting ready to go. I have a lot of stuff I got to do today, but we are continuing to get back. I don't know what that was about. 2.53. Somebody is fucking with the crypto market cap. Excuse my French if you're a child. But if you like making sick dough
in crypto. We're going to have Solana today. If the coin, we might go Shiba. You want to see some Shiba? Because some people may want to. We're going to watch a falling price, and people are going to keep asking in the chat, are we going back up? Are we going back up? Is this a good time to buy? So I really don't want to put Shiba up there. What am I thinking is something that's going to pump, right? Let's talk about something that's going to pump. And I'll be honest with you, Solana's got me thinking. Solana's got me thinking we're going to pump. I'm kind of excited about that. I do believe that there's going to be that W coming soon. So I think I'm going to stick with Solana. Remove the indicator and remove the drawings, unfortunately. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you a little bit. We're going to do a guideline, and maybe that'll be what we do here. And that's it. And that's it. And that's what I believe is going to happen. So that's an upward W if you don't believe so. And that's about where we go. So hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. None of this is financial advice. This is my strategy only. And please, I do hope that you do follow some of the strategies that we do. And a lot of people are telling me they're gaining percentages that they've never thought before. So the future of money is really here. It's a very volatile market. You can make the money. You could lose the money. The same quickness. I'm just letting you know it can happen even faster when you lose it. Don't trade on emotion. Stay away from the scammers in the comment sections. If I'm doing a live, which I'm going to do live now, we're going to leave Solana, and we're just going to have the charts up with the right side list of all my favorite coins on the right side, as we always do. Enjoy it. Comment. Talk to one another. Talk to amongst one another, excuse me. And just say, hey, what are you doing? What do you think? What do you like? Do not tell people how much you own, how much crypto you have. It's none of their business, okay? So please don't do none of that to yourself. We worked on the NYMEX. There it is. And if you see that man, he's a crazy bastard. Robbie Diner Jr. was actually talking to us. It was kind of cool. I wasn't there at that time frame. But enjoy. Have a great day. Sicto in crypto. If you have not yet to see, I get excited when I buy crypto. Type in I get excited when I buy crypto. Bitcoin Wall Street Pete, and you'll listen to our new song right here. Please slap a like on it. We need it. Thank you very much. We're out of here like Vladimir. Enjoy your day. We're going to come with Sunday picks, hopefully.
It's sick though, in crypto, don't flip yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's sick though, in crypto, don't flip yo. Pause, I'm back, make it sick though, in crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making sick though, in crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the ride. I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, we'll take you.
Dude, I love that swag you got, Pat.
Chase the red can, I can't stand you.
Look at the swag, you're doing it.
I don't know. It's sick though. In crypto, don't flip yo. Everybody buy it, goes up.
What's your favorite saying?
What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up.
This shit's gonna be in the club one day.
What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it,
Goes up really high. What's your favorite saying? Wish I bought more.
Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the to the moon?
We're going soon.
I said it, so change your attitude and your tune. This is the Wall Street Pete Show. Positivity, love, yo.